Good morning, room 32. So today you are going to do a combined lesson 18 and 19. Today we are going to decompose once or twice in three-digit subtraction. So earlier this week we had been working on three-digit addition, three-digit by three-digit addition, but today you're going to do three-digit subtraction and you're going to decompose once or twice. So all that really means is you're going to regroup on a place value chart once or twice today. So on your whiteboard, I want you to do a couple things. Here's our clean whiteboard. On your whiteboard at the top of your left side, I want you to write down S.A, which stands for the standard algorithm. So we're going to write our subtraction problem the vertical way. And then on this side, we're going to use a place value chart to help us solve. So I'm going to put P, V, C. I'm feeling a little lazy today, so I'm just abbreviating. PVC stands for place value chart. And again, SA stands for standard algorithm. And that really just means the vertical way. So on this left side, let's write the equation we're going to solve today. 825 minus 132. So I've written our equation the vertical way. And then on this side, we're going to make our place value chart showing hundreds, tens, and ones. So I make my line across. Here's my two lines, and I have my H for hundreds, my T for tens, and my O for ones. Okay, so let's look over at our vertical equation. Let's get ready to subtract. Look at your vertical subtraction problem. How many ones do we need to subtract from the 5 ones that there are right now? Just 2 ones. And we can subtract 2 ones from 5 ones. So 5 minus 2, we already know that would be 3. How many tens are we subtracting from 2 tens? Well, you can see down here, we're subtracting 3 tens. Can we subtract 3 from 2? We can't. There aren't enough tens to subtract from 2. 3 tens is more than 2 tens. To get more tens so that we can subtract, we have to unbundle 100 into tens. So we already can see that we can't subtract because of the 3 being bigger than the 2. So we're going to represent this in our place value chart to help us solve. So let's start over. We're going to represent our top number first, 825. I'm going to draw in our place value chart our small squares to represent our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many tens? Well, here's a 2 in 825. So here's our 2 tens. And we have 8 hundreds. So here's my bigger squares to represent my hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I've represented 825, our top number in our place value chart. So we're going to kind of start over here. I'm going to use a different color so you can see what I'm doing. So looking at our bottom number, 5 minus 2. So we're taking away 2 ones in the ones column. So I'm just going to go 1, 2. There went 2 ones. 3 minus 2. Well, we know we can't do that. So in our place value chart, I'm going to unbundle 110 and scoot it over. I'm sorry, I'm going to unbundle 100 and scoot it over into our tens. So we're working backwards. So here's my 100, and how many tens do I need to make one 100? I need 10 tens. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my 10 tens. Now we've unbundled, and we can even cross that out, so we know we've unbundled 100 into 10 tens. How many hundreds and tens do we have now? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hundreds, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 tens. Whoa, that's too many tens. But now that we have 12 tens, we got to look back over at our equation. Can we now take away 3 tens from 12 tens? Yes. So we've taken away our 2 ones. Now we have to take away our 3 tens now that we've unbundled. So here's 1, 2, 3. I took away 3 tens. Now let's see how many we're left with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Maybe even at the bottom I'll write a 9, so I know I have 9 tens. And even at the bottom I'll write 3, because I have 3 ones. Okay. Now we're going to look at our hundreds. We've taken away one 100, and how many hundreds do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hundredths. I'm going to write that down there. To show this in our standard algorithm equation, just like we unbundled over here, we're going to unbundle over here. So 5 ones minus 2 ones. We were able to do that easily. We can write 3 ones. 3 tens minus 2 tens, we can't do that. We can't subtract 3 from 2. So we had to unbundle. In our standard algorithm, to show this, you take 100 from our top number. So 800 take away 100 is 700. So I'm going to put a 7 here. And now this isn't 2 tens anymore. We're adding 2 tens plus 10 tens because we took 10 tens from our hundreds place. Now we have 12 tens. So up at the top, above our 2, we write 12. 12 minus 3, 12 tens minus 3 tens. Well, 12, 11, 10, 9. 9 tens, just like we did on our place value chart. That goes here. And 7 tens. Minus 110. Let me think about this for a second. We took away and we unbundled 100. So 7 tens, because we took away 100, we don't even need to keep that. So 7 tens minus nothing is 793. Nope, that's wrong. We need to keep our 1 here. Let's rewind a second, friends. So we keep our 1 there. This is where we went wrong. So now we have to look at our last 100. 1, we have to take that 100 way from our place value chart. Sorry about that, I figured it out. So now we take our last 100, take it away in our place value chart, just like we did with our 3 tens and just like we did with our 2 ones. So 700 minus 100 is actually 693. Woo! Glad we figured that one out together. All right, now we're going to quickly do one where we decompose two different numbers. So erase your whiteboards. At the top, you're going to write SA, and you're going to write PVC, so we can decompose 2 times. So S A P V C. All right, let's work through this really quickly now that we've had one chance to do one. So I'm going to write our equation. We're going to subtract 223 minus 194. We're also going to make our place value chart on our right-hand side. 2 lines, line across, hundreds, tens, ones. There we are. Okay, so as we're solving this one, I'm going to be walking you through each step. So let's just look over here really quickly. Can we subtract 4 ones from 3 ones? We can't. So we have to unbundle. So again, we're going to represent 223 in our place value chart. Here is 1, 2, 3 ones, 1, 2 tens, 1, 2 hundreds. Can we take 4 ones away from 3 ones? We cannot. So we have to come over here and borrow 10, 1 10. So that looks like this. Coming over here, borrowing this 10, we're going to unbundle 10, 1 10 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones. There's our 10 ones. And now we can take away 4 ones from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 ones. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. I just took away 4 ones. Now we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. And over here in our standard algorithm, that looks like this. We're borrowing 1 10 from 2 tens, then we're just left with 1 10 and 13 ones. 13 ones minus 4 ones is 9. Now we have to look, can we take away 9 tens from 1 10? We can't. So now we have to borrow 1 100 from our 2 over here. So I'm taking this away. We only have 1 2 left, or 1 100 left. So over here, I'm going to take one of these hundreds and unbundle it in our tens column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's 10 tens, and we unbundled it from our 1 100. Now can we take away 9 tens from our 1 10 that we had left? Well, yes, we can, because now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we had 12 tens, now we had 11 tens. So we're going to take away 9 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it shows you we have 1, 2 tens left. So here we would write our 2 for 2 tens, and then we write our 2 over here. 11 tens minus 2 tens minus 9 tens is 2 tens. Then we have our 1 100 left here. We have to remember to take 1 100 away. Took it away. 1 100 minus 1 100 is 0. But you never need to write your 0 if it's in the beginning of your answer. So our answer is 29. All right, we should all be able and ready to try this in our problem set, lesson 18, and maybe a couple from 19, starting right now. Good luck.